guys, once again welcome to the channel Commerce 247. As you all know, today we are going to start the second chapter, that is change in profit sharing ratio. Change in PSR, in short we call it as profit sharing ratio. Change in PSR. Now what happens? Suppose that there are two partners A and B and they share profit and loss in a ratio of 3:2. After a certain period of time, but they decided to share profit equally, that is 1:1. एक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के बाद अगर वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि वो प्रॉफिट कैसे शेयर करेंगे, इक्वली शेयर करेंगे, तो देयर इज सम चेंज इन द प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. दिस चेंज इज नोन एज चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. नाउ व्हाट विल बी द इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस चेंज? इस चेंज का क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा? इस चेंज से क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा? विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस चेंज either some partner will gain or some partner will lose or sacrifice. Sacrifice is share. So remember this. Whenever the change in profit sharing ratio take place, some partner may gain or some partner will sacrifice. So in this lecture we will discuss how to calculate gaining or sacrificing share of a partner. So first of all, we should know the formula of gaining or sacrificing. Remember one thing, whenever there is sacrificing ratio, the formula for the sacrificing is SON. Sacrifice is equal to old share minus new share. Sacrifice is equal to old minus. For the gain we are having the formula gaining is equal to new minus old. Always try to use one single formula, either sacrificing or gaining. Remember two main points. If sacrificing ratio is in negative, it will be equal to gain. अगर sacrificing share किसी पार्टनर का नेगेटिव है या sacrificing ratio किसी का नेगेटिव है, तो वो क्या होगा? गेन होगा. And if gaining share is negative, then it will be sacrifice. तो हम क्या करेंगे? ज्यादातर sacrificing ही यूज करेंगे. Sacrificing is equal to old minus new. अगर वो माइनस में आ जाएगा तो वो क्या होगा? गेन होगा. तो ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स रट लेते हैं कि माइनस वाला गेन होता है. ऐसा नहीं है. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द फॉर्मूला. अगर मैं सैक्रिफाइसिंग का फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहा हूं तो माइनस वाला क्या होगा? गेन होगा. अगर मैं गेनिंग का फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहा हूं तो माइनस वाला क्या होगा? सैक्रिफाइसिंग होगा. सो लेट अस बिगिन टुडेस न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द क्वेश्चन displayed on your screen regarding the sacrificing and gaining ratio. So the first question is, X and Y are partners sharing profit and losses in 5:3. X और Y दो पार्टनर हैं, प्रॉफिट शेयर कर रहे हैं 5:. From 1st April they agreed to share profit and losses equally. Now what they decided to share profit and losses equally. Calculate the individual partners gain or sacrifice due to change in profit sharing ratio. तो अब हमें क्या निकालना है? Gain or sacrifice. You already know. Sacrifice is equal to old share minus new share. Now old is for X and for Y. Old is 5/8 and 3/8. Since it is given 5:3. New is equally 1/1. 1/2 and 1/2. कैसे आया ये 5/8? 5 तो इसका शेयर हो गया, 8 इन दोनों का टोटल हो गया. 3/8, 3 इसका शेयर हो गया, 8 इनका टोटल हो गया. सिमिलरली 1/2 एंड 1/2. We will solve it out. हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. एलसीएम लिया हमने 8, 5 minus 2 4 4. That is 1/8. That means sacrifice. Now here it is 8 4 जाए 8 minus 4 minus 1 upon 8. That means gain. So now in this question, X sacrifice 1 by 8 share, whereas Y gain 1 by 8 share. So these are the short type of question of 1 mark generally, but their importance is too large. Whenever we later on pass the journal entry related to the goodwill, then we will discuss their importance. वहां पर हमको इसकी importance पता चलेगी sacrifice और gain की, वहां पर हम sacrifice और gain का use करेंगे. So moving towards the next question, that is question number 2. ABC are partners sharing profit and losses in 4:3:1. ABC partner हैं, profit share कर रहे हैं 4:3:1 में. Now their partners agree to share future profit in 5:4:3. Future profit, that is the new profit, is 5:4:3. Calculate the gain or the sacrificing due to the change in profit sharing ratio. तो हमें क्या निकालना है? Gain or sacrificing. So we already know sacrifice is equal to old minus new. We are having 3 partners A, B and C. A, B and C. Old is 4:3:1. 4 by 8, 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. Minus, minus, minus. New is 5, 4, 9, 9, 3, 12. That is 5 upon 12, 4 upon 12 and 3 upon 12. Now we will solve it out. 24 is the LCM. 8 3 ja 3 4 ja 12 minus 12 2 ja 2 5 ja 10. It becomes 2 upon 24. Now again 24 is the LCM. 3 3 is 9 minus 12 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. 1 upon 24. Now again 24 is the LCM. 8 3 ja 3, 12 2 ja minus 6. It becomes minus 3 upon 24. Now here also, since A and B are in positive and we use the formula for the sacrificing, so the positive is sacrificing share. A sacrifice, B sacrifice and C is in minus, therefore C gain. So we can write it as A sacrifice 2 by 24, B sacrifice 1 by 24, whereas C gain 3 upon 24 from his share. So these are the 2 questions. Now moving forward towards the next question. Now Mahesh, Naresh and Om are the partners. Mahesh, Naresh and Om are the partners sharing profit and losses in 2:3:4. 2 3 4. With effect from 1st April 2016, they agreed to share profit and losses in 1:2:3. MNO 1:2:3. Calculate the sacrifice and gain of the each partner. We have to calculate the sacrifice and the gain. For sacrificing, we are having sacrificing is equal to old minus new. Old is already given to us for M, N and O. M is 2 by 2, 3, 5, 4, 9. 2 by 9, 3 by 9 and 4 by 9. Minus, minus, minus. It is 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6 and 3 upon 6. Minus करेंगे. This is 18. 9 2 या 2 2 या 4 minus 6 3. This is 1 upon 18. Since it is in positive, positive में आया है, sacrificing का फॉर्मूला यूज किया तो क्या होगा? Sacrifice. 18 6 6 3 ja 3 2 ja. This is 0 upon 18. That is neither gain nor sacrifice. This is 18 9 2 जा 18, 4 2 जा 8, 6 3 जा 3 3 जा 9. This is minus 1 upon 18. This is equal to gain. So remember this. In this question, M sacrifice 1 by 18, whereas O gain 1 by 18. Remember that whenever there are two partners only, or changes there is only two partners, as like is in this question, the change take place only in M and O. There is no change in N. N के में कोई भी चेंज नहीं था, केवल किस में चेंज हुआ? M और O में. तो जो भी सैक्रिफाइस और गेन होता है दोनों में बराबर होता है. अगर M में जितना सैक्रिफाइस किया होगा O ने उतना ही गेन किया होगा. So the sacrifice for M is 1 by 18 and O's gain is 1 by 18. So this is all about sacrificing and gaining. This is so simple lecture, but remember this, we will use it while calculating the treatment of goodwill. In next lecture, we will discuss about the all formulas related to the goodwill of the firm. Thank you very much. Keep on subscribing. If you like the video, press the bell icon.